You've probably researched GLP-1 weight loss and felt overwhelmed. That's not your fault. Most programs force you to jump between pages, compare fine print, and guess what's actually included before you ever understand your options. That's why we created a place for you to cut through the confusion and see every GLP-1 option available laid out up front. Microdose, maintenance, short-term, and long-term programs allow you to customize a treatment plan just for you. Everything is shown clearly, so you can understand your options before committing to a course of treatment. To get started, you complete a quick eligibility questionnaire and pre-authorize your payment. If you're approved, your program moves forward seamlessly. If you're not approved, the pre-authorization is released and you're charged nothing. No risk. No pressure, no hidden steps. And because losing weight safely is about more than medication, every program includes 30 days of Premium Club 4 fitness membership and a complimentary personal trainer session. We make real lifestyle support available to help you prioritize strength training, proper nutrition, and long-term success, not just short-term weight loss. This isn't about rush results. It's about protecting your health, your confidence, and long-term outcomes to live a better life. Start with eligibility. We take care of the rest.